Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to draft and cut blazer suit sleeve. So stay with me while we carry out this task. Let's proceed right now. We shall consider drafting out and cutting of this suit sleeve. The length of this suit sleeve is 23.5 inches. The round sleeve is 15 inches, while the curve is 10 inches. So I would like you to stay with me while we carry out this task. The first thing we have to do now is that we mark out 1.5 inch at the top of the sleeve. We connect this 1.5 inches on a straight line. That's the first thing we do. Then we mark out the length. We said the length is 23 inches. It's 23 inches. So we push it forward and we also mark 23 inches. 23.5 inch, pardon. We draw. So what you need to understand now is the biceps, the formula for the biceps. When I say the formula for the bicep, I'm talking about the muscle area, that's the biceps. So the formula for that biceps and the formula for the cap of the suit sleeve, the cap of the suit sleeve. So the formula for the bicep, first of all is the chest measurement. The chest of the suit is 38.5 divided by 2. That 8.5 divided by 2 will give us 19. It is going to give us 19.25. If 19.25 minus 2 inches, it will now give us 17.25. 17.25, we divide 17.25 by 2. 17.25 divided by 2 will give us 8.625. So this 8.625 is the biceps. So what do we do about this? First of all, we mark out 2 inches at this area, 2.5 pardon, at this area, 2.5 inches. So we will draw a straight line connecting that point. This is 2.5 inches from this point to this point. Pardon me, it seems this side is bigger. I will draw this side. This 2.5, yes, here is bigger, and I will connect it back. So this is the right line. On all the edges is 2.5 inches. Now we mark out the biceps. Say the biceps is 8.625 and this is 8.5. We bring it close, this 8.6 somewhere here. So we will place it on this point and we mark 8.6. So we draw a line. The line will not get to the end of this point. This is just the biceps we are considering. The next thing going to do is we apply the formula for the cap, the sleeve cap. When I talk about the cap is the upper side of the sleeve. The upper side of the sleeve is the cap. So the formula for that for the calf is the bicep plus quarter inch or 1/4 inch, so which is 8.625 plus 0.25. We have 8.875. 8.875, we place our tape in this way. We place it this way and we give a dot. Then we connect a line on it. We determine the center of the biceps. The center of this bicep will be 8.625 divided by 2. We give us 4.3. 4.3125. So this is the place it will be. So I will connect a line. So the next thing I will do now, I will mark out 2.5 inch downward, 2.5 inch downward. I will also connect the line. I will use my French curve to connect the curve. And you turn this will be here. While marking this point, you turn it this way. So this is the curve for the cap of the sleeve. We have determined the cap of the sleeve. Then what we will now do is we will measure from here, from this point to here. This is 18.5, 18.75. If we say 18.75 divide by, pardon, is 18.5, it's 18.5, you can see it, it's 18.5, 18.5 divided by 2 will give us, so it will give us 9.25. This is 9.25 here, this is 9.25, and this is 9.25. We take 1.5 upward, 1.5 upward, and 1.5 upward. We mark. So we will take 1/2 inch inside, 1/2 inch inside, and we will mark, we measure the curve. The curve, we say the curve is 10 inches. 10 divided by 2 will give us 5 inches. We mark the curve of the sleeve. So I will connect with my French curve. So what I will do now is I will bring out 2.5 inch upward, 2.5 inch upward, downward, pardon me, 2.5 inch downward. So this 2.5 is the folding allowance, So from this I will add 1.5 inch on this area, 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch. So I will connect those points with my French curve. also add 1.5 here. I will mark out the vent, the side vent or the slit. I make it 5 inches. So I'm done marking the front, but I will extend this a little bit to connect to this. So I'm done marking this. I will cut this out and I will use this to cut out the inside sleeve. This is the outer sleeve. I will use it to cut out the inside sleeve. So, but before I cut, there is something I need to note and I want you to understand. Before I cut, we need to add 1 inch at the top of the suit sleeve. 1 inch on each of the area. Purpose is because of the pad, the shoulder pad. So we need to add 1 inch on all this area. Then by the side we add half inch for the sewing allowance. We also add half inch here for the sewing allowance. So I'm going to cut right now. So I will bring out this. I will place the front this way. And I will use the front. So we place it on this way and we start marking. We cut, we trace the back out first on this area. We mark here. Remember I said that the round sleeve is 15 inches. So how do we get the round sleeve? We place this way and we measure. 15 divided by 2 will give us 7.5. If you look closely here, this is 7.5. This is the sewing allowance for this, and this is 7.5. So I will place my hand this way and I will mark. I will bring this backward and place it this way. I will now cut out. So this is all about cutting the sleeve of a blazer suit. Please, I would like you to give me a like on this video, and if you are yet new to my channel, look down below the video. You see a subscribe button, hit on the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to on so as to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you very much for watching.